Best Camera Backpacks. The demand for the best camera backpacks continues to grow as photographers seek reliable, durable, and well-organized storage solutions for their gear. A great camera backpack should offer protection, flexible compartments, ergonomic support, and long-lasting build quality. In this guide, we evaluate top picks based on material strength, layout efficiency, comfort, capacity, and overall value for different shooting needs, from beginners to seasoned professionals.
Product number 1. Mckinnon Camera Backpack Bag. The Mckinnon Camera Backpack Bag is a well-rounded option designed for photographers who need both space and security at an affordable price. It features high-density, water-repellent fabric that effectively shields your equipment from unexpected weather. The internal compartments are adjustable, allowing you to customize the layout for cameras, lenses, drones, or accessories. Thick padding and anti-shock dividers add extra protection, while the exterior pockets make it easy to store memory cards, batteries, and personal items. The ergonomic shoulder straps are breathable and designed to reduce fatigue during long shooting sessions. One standout feature is the reinforced stitching and durable zipper system, which ensures longevity even with frequent use. The Mckinnon bag is also versatile enough for daily travel, offering enough space for essentials without feeling bulky. For budget-conscious photographers seeking dependable performance, this backpack strikes a perfect balance of design, protection, and practicality.
Product number 2. Tarion 15L Camera Backpack. The Tarion 15L Camera Backpack is a compact yet stylish choice, ideal for photographers who prefer a lighter load without compromising on camera protection. Crafted with water-resistant materials, this bag offers peace of mind during outdoor shoots. The 15-liter capacity is surprisingly spacious, featuring a customizable main compartment with padded dividers that safely house a DSLR or mirrorless setup with multiple lenses. Its quick-access side opening ensures you never miss a moment. The backpack's minimalist design is complemented by an ergonomic harness system that evenly distributes weight, preventing shoulder strain. Additional pockets provide ample space for batteries, cleaning kits, filters, and daily carry items. The included rain cover adds extra durability, making it reliable in varying weather conditions. Overall, the Tarion 15L combines sleek aesthetics with smart functionality, making it a strong choice for photographers who value portability and modern design.
Product number 3. MoCiso Camera Backpack. The MoCiso Camera Backpack stands out for its combination of functionality, comfort, and affordability. Built with durable polyester material, it offers impressive protection through its padded main compartment and flexible dividers. The highlight is its two-section design, a top compartment for personal belongings and a bottom one dedicated to camera gear, making it perfect for travel or hybrid shooting days. The side tripod holder and multiple accessory pockets make organizing gear easy, while the hidden anti-theft pocket provides added security for valuables. Its breathable mesh back panel and padded straps ensure comfortable all-day wear. The MoCiso backpack also has a sleek look, appealing to creators who want a modern aesthetic. With excellent carrying capacity and thoughtful layout, it's ideal for beginners and enthusiasts seeking a budget-friendly yet reliable camera backpack with versatile storage options.
Product number 4. Bag Smart Camera Backpack. The Bag Smart Camera Backpack is a premium-feeling option, known for its smart organization and travel-friendly design. Featuring a professional layout, the main compartment opens fully like a suitcase, making gear arrangement simple. The dividers are thick and customizable, accommodating DSLR bodies, multiple lenses, drones, and accessories. The durable, water-repellent exterior ensures your equipment is safe, while the soft interior lining prevents scratches. Comfort is also a key strength. Padded straps, a breathable back panel, and chest support make it suitable for long trips or all-day shoots. Useful extras include a dedicated laptop pocket, a sturdy tripod holder, and quick-access side openings. The overall structure of the BagSmart backpack provides excellent stability and protection, making it perfect for professionals and hobbyists who need a dependable, travel-ready backpack with excellent gear organization.
Product number 5. K+F Concept Camera Backpack. The K+F Concept Camera Backpack blends rugged durability with modern aesthetics, making it a top pick for outdoor photographers. Its water-resistant nylon exterior and reinforced padding keep your gear secure in rough environments. This backpack features a two-part storage system, a spacious lower compartment for camera equipment, and an upper section for personal items like snacks, clothing, or extra accessories. The quick side access design lets you grab your camera instantly, while the adjustable dividers fit a range of gear setups. Additional features include a tripod strap, waterproof rain cover, and a dedicated laptop sleeve, making it ideal for travel photographers or creators working on the go. Comfort is emphasized through its breathable back padding and cushioned shoulder straps. For those seeking durability, style, and efficient layout, the K+F Concept Backpack delivers excellent value and performance.